Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the solution to the problem maximum ascending subarray sum. This is again an easy problem, very similar to the one that we had yesterday. Again, the approach to finding those ascending subarrays, and note that it's subarray and not subsequence, is that we'll be just going over the array, looking at all the pairs of neighbors, and whenever we have a pair of neighbors that is not increasing locally, that means that we have to end our current ascending subarray exactly at this point. And of course we want to maintain the sum of that subarray and remember the best sum that we've seen ever. So we start with just the first number and remember that as the best ascending subarray. A subarray of size 1 is also a good ascending subarray, of course. And we go from index 1 up to the end. And we take our current value to be equal to the new element that we see, and we either take everything that we've had previously, or we have to zero out everything that we had previously if this element is not greater than the previous element. So we compare the current element to the previous element, and if this is true we take current, otherwise we don't take current, so this will be 0. 0 times current is 0. And of course at every step we remember this as possible best, and at the end we just return the best value.